Gates open, they're up and racing, baling ganda. Shows alertness at the start, winking eye, then comes Forever Young, running by the rail pivotal. Real Thunder and Speed to Riches, heading towards the last 600, baling ganda by about 2 lengths. Winking Eye moving up now to take third. Real Thunder. Forever Young is down in fourth. Then comes Pivotal and Speed to Riches as they kicks to the last 450. Baling Ganda, followed by Winking Eye, Real Thunder, closing in third. Forever Young, Pivotal, and Speed to Riches with 150 to go. Baling Ganda by about 2 lengths. Winking Eye remains in second. Moving up is Real Thunder, Forever Young, and finally Baling Ganda. Real Thunder, Winking Eye, Forever Young, Pivotal, and Speed to Riches.
Okay, crossing the wire first. Top job.